Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my lovely students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Getting healthier, getting fresher, and getting stronger. In this pandemic era, don't forget to always keep smile and positive thinking. Don't be stressful. And now, we are going to study with me studying English for primary 2. Okay, my students? Are you ready? Okay, before start studying, as usual, we must raise our hand and doa before studying. Raise up your hand, doa before studying. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Oh Allah, give me knowledge and good understanding. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Okay, my students, in this topic, we are going to have 2 topics. And I will tell you more about demonstrative this, that, these, and those. And in another topic, we also try to study more about plants. As you can see, there are many plants next to me. So, okay students, please get ready with your new module, pencil and eraser. And this time, we are going to discuss what is demonstrative about this, that, these, and those. How to use them in a sentence? What are the differences among them? Also, we are going to discuss about plants, some parts in the plants, and maybe the usage of the parts in the plants. Okay students, are you ready? Let's check it out and get started to discuss more about 2 topics. Okay my students, this time we are going to discuss about demonstrative. Demonstrative. There are 4 demonstrative words that we are going to discuss in this topic. First is these and these. We use that and those for something which is far from the speaker. And we use these and these for something which is near to the speaker. I am standing next to some books, and I will use the sentence this and this. For example, I am handing one book nearby me. So I use this is a book. This is a book. Because the book is only one and it is nearby the speaker. I also use these for something which is nearby me, but it has more than one. There are 3 books here. 1, 2, 3. And the books are next to me, or the books are nearby me. So I use these are Islamic books. these are Islamic books. Okay, I put them back. Now, how about if the things are far from the speaker? The things are far from the speaker. I'm standing here and the books are there. We can say that is a book. That is a book. And those are the books. Those are the books. So we can use that and those for something which is far from the speaker. That's very easy, right, my students? Now, you can see what are the things around you which is nearby you or which is far from you. I can guess the things which is nearby you are laptop or phone, book, pencil, and eraser. So you can say, this is my laptop, or this is my book, this is my pencil, and this is my eraser. How about if the things are more than one? For example, you have many pencils nearby you, so you say, these are my pencils. Now, let's look around the things that are far from you. For example, stove. Stove is in the kitchen and now you are in your room. So you can say, that is my mother's stove. That is my mother's stove. And you can say, there are many spoons in the kitchen. So you say, those are my mother's spoons. Those are my mother's spoons. That's very easy, right? Okay, my students, now it's your turn to tell me about the things around you using demonstrative words. Okay, my students, next to me, there are two kinds of plants. Here, I have plastic plants. And in another one, I also have real plant. How about you? What do you have at your home? Do you have plastic plant or do you have real plant? Or maybe you have both of them. So in this time, we are going to discuss more about some parts that we can see here about the plants. Now, I'm handling a plastic plant. What can you find here? As you can see, there are leaves for the green one and also flower for the pink one. Are they beautiful? Okay, you can put the plant inside mini pot if the plant is smaller. But if you have bigger plant, you can use bigger pot to plant it. Also, you need soil. Now we discuss some parts of plant. The green one is leaf. We also can see the longer one, which is standing, is a stem. And the inside of the soil, there is root. Root usually like hairy parts or there is branch. Okay, my students, those are the parts of plants that we can discuss today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students primary 2. Now we are going to study English. The topics are this, that, these, those, and plants. So I hope you enjoy the topics. First, we are going to study demonstrative this, that, these, and those. Let me explain you more. What are they? This is a demonstrative to show one thing or one object near the speaker. That is demonstrative to show one thing or one object far from the speaker. This is demonstrative to show more than one thing or more than one object near the speaker. Last, those is demonstrative to show more than one thing or more than one object far from the speaker. Here is the example of a sentence of demonstrative this, that, these, and those. For singular, we use this and that. For example, this is an apple. That is an apple. And for plural, we use these and those. For example, these are apples and those are apples. The next topic is about plants. In this video, we are going to study what is plant, where can you find plants, mention example of plants nearby you, and mention parts of plant. A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth and has a stem, leaves, and roots. Plants can be found in many places, like on the ground, on buildings, on other plants, on rocks, and in water. Here are the examples of plants. Types of flowers. The roots grow in the soil, in the soil, in the soil. The roots grow in the soil. All plants have roots. The stem connect roots and leaves, roots and leaves, roots and leaves. The stem connects roots and leaves. All plants have stems. The leaves make all the food, all the food, all the food. The leaves make all the food. All plants have leaves. I will mention some parts of plant. On the top, you can find flower, which helps in reproduction. And for green part is leaf. It performs photosynthesis. The next is fruit. It protects the seeds. And there is also stem. It supports the plant. And the inside of the ground, you can see root. It absorbs water and mineral. Okay, my students, those are the topics that we have discussed today about demonstrative and plants. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my students, those are the topics that we are discussing today about demonstrative words and about plants. I hope you understand about the topics, and Alhamdulillah we can close this meeting and we can close this discussion. Raise up your hand. Dua after studying. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Teacher Yani would like to say sorry for any mistakes from this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.